Kermit is in pounce mode again because I've let his mother out with him. He was in a really weird position before. His legs were like right bent back on that thing. Oh, he spotted me. Trying to get him to socialise a little bit. To behave around females. He's ignoring her now. First time he's been out with her for ages. He's just completely ignoring her. At least he's not trying to mount her. That really creeps me out when he tries to do stuff like that. Want to watch Blade 2? Kermit trying to show off to his mum. Keep getting the wrong impression though. I'm gonna go stop him before he goes a bit crazy. Why'd you abandon me, Mum?